Hello, friends. So, SBI clerical notification has been released on 16th of December, and for the last date for the same is 7th of January. And this time the vacancies was around 14,000, as you can see here. So, definitely, it is a very good opportunity for the people who want to start their career in banking. Okay, and as you can see ki this out of these total 14,000 vacancies, there are 456 vacancies which are the backlog vacancies. So it means these 456 people are either some of them out of these 456 are either not joined or they resign from this because they definitely they get any better opportunity. So this time we have a very large number of vacancies, I think. So it is a very good opportunity. And as per the information I have, uh, the exam for SBI clerk is scheduled on 22, 27th, 28th of February and 1st of March. These 4 dates are there when SBI prelims, SBI clerical prelims is scheduled. Okay, so prepare well for this. I will start sharing my strategy for how I attempted this examination in 2021. And let me now share with you all the salary slip for the SBI clerical cadre, and which is also now they termed as customer support and sales executive. The junior associate name has been changed to customer support service and sales post. So let's see. So for the clerical cadre, the basic pay is 26,730. Along with this, you will get dearness allowance, which is certain percentage of your basic pay, that is 7,000. After that, you will get house rent allowance. House rent allowance you will only get if you uh, are not there in the SBI quarter. If you are living in the SBI quarter or SBI provided you the quarter, then this HRA will not be provided to you. So uh, this person is posted at his home state and in fact in his home city. So that is why he's he is getting HRA, and he's also getting the transport allowance which is 850, and there is special allowance which is 7083. And this is an additional thing, स्पेशल पे न्यू, रीज़न भी क्योंकि रिसेंटली ज्वाइन थे तो इसलिए इनको 1200 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा मिला हुआ है. सो ओवरऑल अगर देखोगे तो 45,838 होता है टोटल. और फिर इसमें इन्हें यूनियन की एसोसिएशन मेंबरशिप ले रखी है स्टाफ की, और तो उसका 200 रुपीज़ कटता है. एंड देन NPS का इनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है 3347, वो इनका कटता है. सो टोटल अमाउंट जो इनका डिडक्ट होगा दैट इज़ 3500 अप्रॉक्स. एंड जो होम पे आप जो घर ले जा पाएंगे दैट विल बी 42,291. सो दैट विल बी द फाइनल पे. इसके अलावा नंबर ऑफ अलाउंसेस आर देयर विच SBI प्रोवाइड्स टू यू. So there are quarterly allowances there. There are monthly allowance also. Also, after joining SBI, if you clear JAIB, and CAIIB, so here you will get two increments over your salary. So your salary will definitely jump to a higher value after clearing these two examinations, JAIB and CAIB. So yes, prepare well for this examination. And it is a not the best, but yeah, it is a good boost to start your career as a banker. I would suggest you to join this organization if you get selected. Also, uh, as you see, the last date is 7th of January. So if you haven't applied yet, please go and apply, because the vacancies are huge in number and we don't know what will happen with these vacancies in future. As you see, for each and every examination the vacancies are decreasing. Okay, so you get a good, very good opportunity. uh, Utilize it, and all the best.